Welcome to this December bullet journal where snowmen have some fun, and I hope you do too. This month, I modified the Happy Planner calendar pages with a little bit of erasable friction pen and some stickers by Happy Planner and also some others that I got online for snowflakes. This journal was inspired by the wish that we had a white Christmas, which is extremely unusual for us here in the Pacific Northwest because we are in the lowlands. The mountains, of course, have a lot of snow, but it looks to me like this year our Christmas will not be white as usual. But it would be nice if it was. So I made these snowmen doing all different things. I thought, what would snowmen like to do? So these two snowmen are just greeting each other as they're coming to say hello. And on all of my snowmen, I put these little mittens, which are just kind of a fun way for them to have a little bit more expressive, like they have hands. The snowmen on each page are doing different things out in their community, thinking about like, what would a community of snowmen actually do? And on this page, I was thinking about like a business district and how economic business continues to be done. So these two snowmen are a little bit more formal. And I'm also thinking of this as sort of like an old-timey time. So on this page, I have a businessman with his briefcase and an old-fashioned snowman lady in a fancy dress. Maybe they're out doing business, or maybe it's after work time and they are going to go to a concert or a fancy show. The snowmen on this page are up to a little bit of fun and a little bit of chaos, having a snowball fight. My experience with dogs in the snow tells me that some dogs like to pull a sled and some dogs prefer to be pulled on a sled. So you can see which one this is. I feel like I've been all of these snowmen at one time or another. Please let me know which one resonates with you down in the comments, or what you would make snowmen doing if you were drawing snowmen having fun, or just out in the community. If you like this content, like and subscribe for more, and also to help get it out there for other people. I hope you had fun. Stay healthy. If you are a regular friend of the channel, you probably noticed my voice is a little off because I have not been healthy. So please take care of yourselves. Have a great rest of the year. And I hope to see you again next time.